what's up? Welcome back. So today I have my August lineup for you, and y'all, my kit lineup is in shambles right now, just shambles. So I think I have August locked in, so I have to film this now before I change my mind again. But I had the rest of my summer lineup like done, finalized, locked in, nothing out for like a month. And then I got the July mystery from CaressPress. That threw a wrench into everything. And then I was watching Anna from Cafe with Anna's haul, and she said that she was using the Atlantis kit for the live action Little Mermaid, and I was like, well, that's high-key actually brilliant, so now I have to do that. And so those two things made me have to like scramble, process, regroup my whole lineup for the rest of the summer. If you don't know, I do summer kits through the end of the Big Brother season, so like through the end of September, because that's when like summer ends for me, because I live in Ohio and we don't really have seasons here. Like the weather is just a full freestyle. Anyway, TLDR, I think the lineup is refinalized and good to go, and I am very stoked for the next 2 months of spreads. And I low-key also want to film the September lineup right now, but I'm going to not be unhinged for once. So for the week of August 1st through the 7th, I am using the April 2022 mystery from SPC, which is just like the prettiest, most ethereal, light, and airy mermaidy kit. And this came with a lavender hollow bundle, but I'm going to be pulling in just regular hollow with this. So I've got an SPC tropical bundle, and then I've got a couple underlay options, and I don't know what I'm gonna go with yet. It'll be a game time decision, but these are all from Plannahannah. So I've got the mermaid tail, the scales, and the coral. I really just cannot decide which underlays I want to do. I don't think I can really go wrong with any combo of the three, but like I want this spread to be like perfect. I don't want to fuck it up because it's just such a pretty kit. So that was August 1st through the 7th. For the week of the 8th through the 14th, I'm using the Carnival kit from SPC, which is just like the brightest, most vibrant summer kit, and I'm just obsessed. And I was originally going to use hollow with this, like this just screams hollow to me, especially with all of the blue. But then I ultimately decided that I kind of wanted to play into the yellow. So I'm using the gold hollow carnival bundle from AliciaCraft. So we've got the full boxes and then the underlays, and I got the like full confetti underlays. And then we've got the deco and headers and the bottom washi page. And then I've got the tall box overlays because it came with a really cute tall box, so I definitely got to use that. And then the quote boxes as well. So I don't know, I just think that that is going to be a really fun combo. These underlays are so freaking cute. But yeah, I think that is going to be really, really cute together. So that was the 8th through the 14th. For the week of the 15th through the 21st, I'm using the April Mystery Seaside Cafe kit from CaressPress, and I just think this kit is adorable. I love the colors. The theme is super cute and unique, and she's just been killing it with the mysteries this year. Like they've all been a solid 10 out of 10. I don't know if I said it in my haul, but I was definitely thinking it, that I really liked the foil bundle that came with this kit, but I didn't love it with the kit, and that I personally would have chosen a sparkly hollow rather than like a sparkly chunky gold. But then when I was pulling foil for this kit, for no explicable reason, I just impulse doubled down on the chunky sparkly gold. So I am in fact going to be using the foil bundle that came with it instead of sparkly hollow. And then this is where the doubling down comes in. So for the underlays, I'm using the coral underlays and the scales underlays from Plannahannah, and I foiled these in my champagne gold foil, which is a very chunky glitter that is kind of like the chunky version of Champagne Lights. So it's not like a perfect match to this foil, but I think it'll be fine when it's down. So yeah, this spread is going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot of very chunky glitter, but I still think that it will be cute. And then for the week of the 22nd through the 28th, I'm going to be using the Sunset kit from SPC, and I just love this kit so much. I'm still not over the fact that the sunset like literally looks like it's glowing. I'm just never gonna get over that. But I feel like everyone who I've seen use this kit so far has used some form of gold, like regular gold, or like gold hollow or whatever, or like orange. But I don't know, this just feels like a very hollow kit to me. Maybe not so much the full boxes, but I feel like the colors definitely scream hollow to me. So I'm going to be using the Beach Bundle from AliciaCraft in hollow, and it's beautiful. And I've been talking about, where's my double box? BRB, stand by. Okay, here it is. Okay, I've been talking about this so much, but like this double box on this scene here is gonna be so fucking cute, and I can't wait. The only thing is though, like the sun is on this side on the double box, but I might just cut that off. But I cannot wait. So those are the extra boxes, and then we've got the full boxes. And then this is the extra add-on sheet. Of course, for the underlays, I did like the most dramatic option. And then we've got the headers and deco, and then the bottom washi page. So this is a combo that I'm very stoked for. I've had this in my little pea brain for like 2 months, and I'm very stoked to put that down. So that is that. And then for the last week, so the 29th through the 4th, I am using the Boardwalk kit from CaressPress. I love this kit so much. It just speaks to me on a spiritual level. I love the colors. I love how it almost looks like there's a vintage filter on the full boxes. I love it so much. And this kit just immediately screamed hollow, lav hollow mixed metal for me. So I'm going to be using, I think this is the shimmer format from SPC in hollow and lav hollow mixed metal. But then I really wanted to play into all of the palm trees. So I'm going to be using the palm tree underlays from Plannahannah. And I wish I just had regular hollow for these, but I didn't have any left over, and I didn't have any unfoiled ones left over that I could just foil myself. So this is like the next best thing. So like it doesn't like really match the other foil, but I think once everything is down that it will still look fine. But just to kind of tie these in with the rest of the kit and the rest of the foil, I am going to be layering the hollow lav hollow bougie boxes under the palm trees, and I think that that will be really pretty. All right, so that is my August lineup in all its glory. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.